Hello, welcome again to Kaka and Papa Show. For today we interchanged. Am I Kaka or am I Papa? Is this a question or not? Oh,
Shut up, Papa. We never changed. You're scared of costumes for Halloween.
never say that, Kaka. I'm embarrassed now. But our guest for today, he will be. Oh, I know. You remember the Chinatown episode? That girl, she's coming again. So, we'll not be changing costumes for today, but here's Lady Gaga. Oh, look at that Gaga. We just left the stage and she appeared. But how are you? Zombie!
I was never a zombie. I am Lady Gaga.
Just dance, gonna be okay. Da. Dance. 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 Hey, are you scared, Kaka and Papa? Just come here. Oh, what a dress. Wait for my instruction. Wait. Kaka, Papa. Oh, I was scared back then, Lady Gaga. Oh,
Me too, Papa. I was scared. I haven't known. Oh, is that an antenna? Shut up. This is not an antenna.
oh, what the? They collapsed. Oh, this will never be a great show. But I guess.